So you are welcome. Let's look at this topic. For those of you that are in year 11 or SS2, SS2. So here is a logarithm of number less than 1. So about logarithm of number greater than 1, you have log of number greater than 1. That is number like this 1.35647, like 2345, like 6704. Now what you have here is you have log 1 or 10, 100, 1000. That is, here we are considering the characteristics. So here the one before the point is characteristics, while the rest at the back is mantissa. Now if you look at log of 1 is going to give you 0, while log of 10 is going to give you 1, log of 100 is going to give you 2, while log of 1000 is going to give you 3. That is, if you have any something like this that is only one number in front, it can be 9 or whatever. So if you are making use of logarithm table, so what is going to start is going to be 0, but you are going to write first. But if it is something like this 10, this one is 10, it can be 99, whatever. So since it's 10 units, so since it's tenths, so you will have it like this. So if it is 100 like this, it's going to be what 2. If it is 1000 like in this form, so the number that is going to form is going to start like this one. If you want to check this one inside your 4-figure table, so that's what I'm saying is, you want to check this one your 4-figure table, the first number you are going to write down is 2 points. So you will now check 67 under 0 difference 4. So whatever you have there, so you write it down. But if it is calculator you are using, don't bother about that. So your calculator will give you the answer direct. So that is that. Now here we want to consider, the one we are considering now is logarithm of number less than 1. So you are considering logarithm of number less than 1. Now in logarithm of number less than 1, what I'm talking about is 0.3564 or 0.03564 or 0.003564. Now, so what you have here is all these numbers you see, they are all less than 1. So now for this one, where you are going to start first is to look at this. For this one, the characteristics is 0 here, 1 0. Why the characteristic is 2? Why this one here you have 2 0 here, you have 3 0 here. Now in this one, that's 1 0. What you have simply put there is by 1. For this one, you are going to put by 2. The number is 0 will determine the number of what? The negative value you are going to have. So where do you get this negative value? Is when you are expressing this one in standard form. So when you want to express this one in standard form, you simply shift this point to this side. So you will have it as 3.564 times 10 raised to power minus 1. So that is it. The same thing with this one. So how do you come about it? So you will have 3.564 times 10 raised to power minus 2. So that's where you see all this one. So those are the number you are going to write first. In this case, if you want to use calculator, don't press 0. Whatever inside your calculator, you give you wrong answer. So what you are going to do is that after you mind this one, the first thing you are going to do is that you write all this one down. Then in your calculator, you come and press this number there, the number aside the 0. So you press 3.564. So log 3564. So whatever it give you, you write it behind this value. You write it behind all this value. So that's it. You write it behind all this value. So you ignore the first number that come there, maybe that give you in form of points. So that's that. Now look at another aspect here. So the another aspect here, another aspect I want to look at is, let's say you have something like this. You have something like this, 2.6. You have 3.8. So how you do the addition and subtraction? So you have this, so you have this. So here you have 5, you have 9. So let's say this one is minus. So if you add this one together, what are you going to get? You are going to get 14. So what about this? If you add them together, you're going to get minus 5. So minus 5 plus 1 is going to give you minus 4, which is about 4. So you note that. For this one also, like this one, you borrow 1 from here to here. So what you have here is 15. So if this one is 15, 15 minus 9 is going to give you 6 bar. Since you borrow 1 here, minus 2 is there before, you borrow 1, so it will be minus 3. So minus 3 minus minus 4. So this one is going to turn to plus. So minus 3 plus 4 is going to give you 1. So let's look at another one. Let's say you have 3. You have about 3.8. Here you have about 2 here. Here is 9. So if you want to minus it, you borrow 1 here to here, 18. So you will have 9 here. So this one has become minus 4. So minus 4, since you borrow 1 there, so and you borrow minus 3 is there, you borrow another extra minus, so it's going to be minus 4. So minus 4 minus minus 2. So minus times minus is going to be plus. So minus 4 plus 2 is going to give you about 2. So that is that. Now we will consider the rest as we treat the question. So let's look at this question here. Let's say you have 0.005678 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 0.08694 divided by 0.005863. So let's place something on top of it. Let's do it like this. Let's place 4 here. So you have 4 here. Now, so you want to solve this question now. So what you have here is, you have table. You have the table. So number and log. So what you have here is 0.005678. So what you have here is 0.08694. So as I told you the other time, here is minus 3. So because you have 3 0 there, so then you will now, if you are using 4-figure table, you will press 56 under 7 difference 8. There you will check 56 under 7 difference 8. But if it is calculator you are making use of, so you simply press 56 log 5678. So whatever thing you see there, you write the number after the point down. You write the number after what? After the point down. So that's what you are going to write down. Then look at the other one also. Is there 20 you see there, so you place bar 2 there. So then you check 86 under 9 difference 4. If you are using 4 figure table, if you are using calculator, you simply press those number there, then you write the one at the after the point. So you will have 9 3 9 2. So since this one is what? Multiplication, so you add it together. So here you will have 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, so this one is 13, 4 plus 9 is 13, so you will have 9. So 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3, 9. So 7 plus 9 is going to give you 16 points. So minus 5 plus minus 2 is going to give you minus 4. Minus 3 plus minus 2 is going to give you minus 5. So minus 5 plus 1 is going to give you minus 4. So that's that. Then come to this one. So what do you see here? You have 0.05863. So again, it's 30 that is here, so you place 30 here. So you will check it again. Log 5836. So you will have 7 6 8 1. So here you will have bar 3.7681. Now what you have here is division. Here is division. So in this case, you are going to minus. So here 4 minus 1, you have 3. Since this is 3, you borrow 1 here, so that's 13. 13 minus 8 is going to give you 5. This one is 8 that remain. So for this one you will have 8 minus 6, that's 2. So you borrow 1 here, that's 16. So 16 minus 7 is going to give you 9. Now minus 4 is here, you borrow 1 here, that's minus 5. So what you have here is minus 5 minus 3. So it's going to give you minus 2. That's part 2. Now don't forget that you have this one here as 4. So you are going to treat it now. So as you know, it's simply me divided by 4. So and how are you going to carry it out? So look at it now. If you want to carry out this division, this 4, write it here by 4, then plus 4 plus this 2 plus this minus 2 is going to be 2. So you write 2 here. So you place 9 2 5 3. I believe you are following. So look at it again. This 4, you write it here, the divisor. Then the 4, you add it back to this one. To this one, you will have 2. So 4 plus minus 2 is going to give you 2. Then you write 9 point something down. Then you will say divided by 4. Just listen to the instructions. How you are going to do it is very simple. Then after that, see, you see that minus 4, that by 4. If you want to use your calculator to divide it, simply say 4 plus 2, that will be 6. Don't make it in form of negative. Just say you ignore the negative, you take the absolute value. So it's going to be 4 plus 2, that's 6.9253. Then you will now see divided by 4. Divided by 4. So your answer now is what you are going to write. You will put bar on it. So it's going to be bar 17313. So you come here for antelope. So here is antelope. So as you have seen, is is one that is there by 1, so you put 10. Then if you want to press your antilog, so look at it. Look at the antilog that you want to press. So you remove that 1. So you say that if it is in your calculator you are doing it, so the antilog of 0.7313, so you will have 5. Now in your calculator it will give you 5.3, so you start writing from 5, so you ignore the point. You simply write 538.7, approximately 87. So that's what you are going to write. Then this is your answer now. Then you come back again, come and check whether your answer is correct. Come and check. So here you have 0.005678 times 0.08694, so divided by 0.005863. So this is what you have. Then you now look for the fourth root of your answer. So what you get here is 0.53867, approximately 7. So you compare your answer, so you can see that it's the same thing. So that is how to solve a logarithm of number less than 1. I will treat further questions for you later. So have this one first. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube and then like and share. God bless you.